The Dino Robot Kit, Model 600, offers a comprehensive learning experience with its ability to build over 200 different robots, from dinosaurs to cars and airplanes, fostering creativity and problem-solving skills in children. Equipped with a host, sensors, and motors, this kit allows kids to control their creations via an app, adding an interactive element that enhances their sense of achievement. The drag-and-drop coding interface is user-friendly, enabling children to program robots to perform various functions like following lines, avoiding obstacles, and controlling lights. With 600-plus blocks made of safe ABS plastic, the kit ensures a secure and durable playtime, and it is compatible with other popular building block brands. The Makerzoid Robot Master Kit is an ideal educational gift for children aged 6 to 14, making it perfect for birthdays, holidays, and other special occasions. Parents and educators appreciate this kit for its ability to blend fun with educational value, helping kids learn machine dynamics and programming step by step through interactive video courses.